buses are what you have to watch out for.
The bus is here.
They don't care. They will kill you.
This time you driving me.
Yeah.
Look at her, how cute she is. And her motorbike, orange motorbike with her blue helmet. It's kind of scary though to see the bus behind you.
Yeah. They pretty much take over the road.
Yeah.
Like, you have to get out of the way.
Yeah. The lady in red, she's speaking on the phone, and it's just like I cannot even drive like that at all.
I was surprised too. I was thinking about that.
Yeah.
I can barely drive.
I know.
How are you driving with one?
I know. Oh, she's even turning. Oh my god, she's like turning. She's turning with her phone. My dentist is up on that lottery department on the 26th floor. It has a beautiful view.
Yeah, we went there yesterday, and I bought new lipstick.
Yeah. It's scary though.
Yeah.
Oh,
People
goodness.
are crazy driving.
Crazy. But,
Yeah, the scary thing about driving is that it's not only about you being a good driver, it's like they're crazy drivers on the road. But yeah, that's a low to the department store. If you guys need any, like, they have like a lot of Korean brands because it's a low to the department.
even
Korean.
around here, there are a lot of Korean restaurants and
Yeah.
Korean companies. We just found it. Oh, there. Maybe go up further and park up here.
I see it. I thought it was up
Yep, it's that one. Đóng cửa hả? Oh no. Huh?
My bike is turned off.
It turned off?
Yeah.
Oh,
I think it's closed.
it is closed. Hôm nay không mở cửa hả chị? Vâng. They say they do open. It's closed? Oh my god. It turned off?
It's closed now though?
No, it. She asked. I asked her if it's closed. She said, no, it's still open.
Oh.
So she was like, "You want food? Okay, let's go."
Okay.
Xin chào.
It turned off?
Okay. We got to the place, and then I saw the lady. She closed the gate, and I was like, "Oh, is it closed?" And she was like, "No. You want some food?" And I was like, "Yeah." And then she opened it up for us. So. Okay.
We made it safely.
Made it safely.
Right now we're at this vegetarian restaurant that we're gonna try out, and I'm excited because I haven't eaten today, so let's start eating. This is the restaurant, and it's in this little alleyway. I think it's funny how a lot of vegetarian and vegan restaurants have this like famous people who are vegan or vegetarian. I don't know, it's funny that it takes that to like convince people to change their diet. You keep repeating the word go. Are you saying like what does it come with? Like with what?
Yeah, to have.
Yeah, what does it have?
Yeah.
I'm starting to understand some Vietnamese. It's really exciting because I haven't been studying too much, but the little bit of studying that I do, it's really effective, so that's good. So this restaurant has some fake meats that you can buy and seasonings and stuff. This is textured soybean protein. I've never seen one in this shape before, like this. So little. This is the same, but in a different form. Vegan chicken powder. I guess it's to season your fake meat, like your
Chicken flavor, huh?
yeah. Textured vegetable protein in this form. What is this? Vegan shrimp meat fluff. This is popular here in Vietnam to put on top of stuff. Like this texture?
Yeah.
Like pork though.
Pork.
Yeah. But this one's shrimp. Yeah. But this is popular. I've seen this a lot. What else do they have?
Even this though.
Oh yeah.
Those crisp crackers.
Yeah. Shrimp chips. Yeah, these are really popular.
They have a lot of fake meat alternatives.
Yeah. Interesting, they have vegan shredded roasted squid. And then you have a cute little girl to go with it. She's so cute. She runs away because she's shy.
Okay, can we just talk about how this girl, she never has baby fever?
No baby fever for me. No, I only have puppy fever, food fever. No, yeah, it's rare. So that little girl, she's super cute and kind of stole my heart. And that's really rare because I don't have any baby fever at all. Just puppy fever. I want to be a puppy mom.
One day.
That's my life calling.
I'm telling you. I told her already she can have a puppy anytime. It's just up to her.
Yeah, I'm just restricting myself because it's a lot of responsibility. And I want to be the best puppy mom I can be. Yeah.
I hear that word all the time. Puppy mom, puppy mom.
Yeah, I feel like, you know, some women, they feel like their life purpose, you know, is to be a mom, and they really have that goal.
Shout out to April and Justin.
Yeah, April, she really felt like it's her passion and her goal in life to be a mom. For me, puppy mom. I really do. I feel like I'm gonna feel so fulfilled in like my life purpose.
Okay, you continue talking. I'll focus on that girl over there. Oh.
Yeah, she's cute.
Yeah.
But I still want a puppy. Puppy, puppy, puppy.
Okay.
This dish is the kum chai, which has rice and many different vegetables. It's different than the ones we've had before, so I'm excited to try this.
You actually call it kum swat?
Yeah.
Kum swat? Yeah.
It's the same thing though, right?
Same thing, but actually kum chai means vegetarian food. So it's actually a general overall.
Yeah.
But this with different dishes, we would call it kum swat.
Focus. It's not focusing on this, so I'm just gonna eat it. Oh, I like it. It's like a fried chicken. It's good.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's almost like real.
I don't think I'm gonna like that.
I like the seasoning.
I'm gonna eat the one you ate.
Okay.
The texture looks a little too much like ribs for me, I think. I don't even think you guys can see it. Focus! I don't like it.
Okay.
The texture is too much like meat.
Oh yeah.
If you need the meat texture, that's good. But I don't need the meat texture. It's too real. I can do real texture for chicken, but not for like ribs.
You can do chicken, but you can do like fried chicken, right? Fried chicken. That's different than the real, actually, like, you know, chicken.
Yeah.
Because the
Chicken nuggets.
Yeah.
I like chicken nuggets, things that are fried. Pretty much any unhealthy chicken. I can do that.
Oh yeah. You really have that, like, really, the texture is so pork.
Yeah. It's like it pulls apart like ribs or like pork. Don't like that.
Okay. Eat the vegetables.
Yeah, I'll eat the vegetables. And I like this chicken one. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. It looks like an egg.
Is it egg?
I don't think so, but it has a really close egg texture. Like, look at it. Actually, the flavor is better than egg because I don't actually really like egg flavor.
Oh, I see.
So the flavor is better than egg. I'm just not sure about texture. You know, I'm a crunchy person, so.
You're trying to figure it out, huh?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out if I like this or not. I'll eat it with some rice.
We got another dish too.
Yeah, what is this called?
This is woon pa kai.
Yeah,
so it's like a spicy chicken. With some vermicelli
noodles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got the spicy chicken, but actually I think we actually got this one because he ran out the chicken. I think that's what he told me. So we got the dry beef noodle. Oh, we ordered another dish too. I forgot.
I'm not someone who really needs like a lot of fake meat, but I can really appreciate like a fake chicken. This is also a different type of texture, and I like that it's really thin. I haven't tried it yet. Let me try it. It has a nice barbecue kind of flavor to it, and I like the texture. The texture is nice and thin. You like it? She's like,
I'll taste the barbecue now.
It's good,
like
huh?
Grilled.
Yeah, it's like grilled.
Not
It's
barbecue
good.
sauce, like grilled.
It's like grilled. A nice grilled flavor.
We're not even done yet. We're missing one plate.
Yeah, we have one more dish coming. This is our last dish. It's tofu wrapped with leaves. You can have different fillings, but the main thing is the leaf. I've never had this leaf before.
Usually it's with meat inside and then with the leaf. But obviously we don't eat meat, so we have a tofu version.
Yeah. It's crunchy. I can tell that for sure.
Yeah.
How is it?
Hot.
Hot? Oh, okay. It reminds me of, the texture reminds me of seaweed. Yeah. It's wrapped really cute. I've never had this lolo leaf or whatever you call it. You can see how it's like the tofu on the inside it's pretty dark. It's nice and fried. I really like the texture, it's crunchy. This is lighter. It's good. The flavor is, I don't know if I can describe the leaf flavor. I don't feel like it has a big flavor. It's good though. That's all that matters. We got a pineapple juice and a carrot juice. Cheers, and this is yours. So I'm sleeping, and look at this big spider. It's actually really big. I don't know if you can tell. It's dead, by the way. Annie killed it.
I killed it while I was talking on the phone with my friend. I had to pause the conversation.
Yeah.
And I was like, hold on, I need to catch this spider.
It's actually bigger than it looks because it's curled up right now. I'm like, I don't want to live here anymore. It's scary. Anything, if you need to know anything about me, it's I hate spiders. Like that's one thing that I'm like, ah. Today I'm gonna share with you a couple of things that I started eating or cooking with that I didn't eat or cook with before living in Asia.